Good morning, fifth grade. I hope you're having an awesome Tuesday. It is the second to last day of fifth grade, if you can believe that. Today's going to be kind of a fun day. You get to just enjoy all of the hard work that you have done on this social studies project. So that is your only assignment today. You're going to click here. It's going to take you to a doc that has everybody's project. So you'll click on as many as you want to look at. Go through and look at everybody's hard work, learn a little bit about these people that were important during the Revolutionary War. Remember, most of you have a script on that second page, so go and read a little bit about their life, look at their timeline. Enjoy your hard work. That is your only assignment today. I do have a couple kiddos that were not quite done with their presentation. You need to get that done today. Today is really the last day that we're doing schoolwork. Tomorrow's just going to be a fun last day of school. So there are two other things I need you to do today. Right here, this is the district survey that Miss Lavelle and I posted yesterday. A lot of you already took it, but I put it here again just in case you didn't. Make sure you take this one. This is a new survey. This one came from Mrs. Singer. So you need to click on this questionnaire here and you need to take this one today. It's the same one that Miss Lavelle has posted today too, but make sure that you have 2 surveys done in the last 2 days, okay? Hangouts today are going to be a little bit different. If you have a quick question on any of your schoolwork, hop on at 9 or 1 and I'll answer those questions, but we're not going to spend very long on schoolwork. We're going to actually just do some fun activities today. So come hang out. We'll do some of the brain breaks that we've learned throughout this 9 weeks. We'll just have fun together. If you need help with your schoolwork, I am around all day long, guys. If you want to hop on, just shoot me an email and say, hey, could you hop on Hangouts at such and such time? And I would love to help you just knock your work out. Today's really the last day to do it because tomorrow is the last day of school. So we need to get that homework done so it can get in the grade book. Let me know if you need any help. I'll see you guys here in a little bit.